Hello, good evening students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good. So today we will start our next chapter and this is chapter number 13, Symmetry and Patterns. So in the symmetry and patterns, first of all I will tell you about the symmetry. So what is symmetry? Symmetry is an object when one half of an image looks like the same of the other half. Okay. For example, you can see like that. For example, you can see, okay, so this is our shape, this shape you can see here. Okay, if you are doing the one half means if you will do it from the half middle, from the middle, if you are doing it half, so the left hand side and the right hand side looks like exactly the same. Okay, and if you will do it like that, okay, if you are taking it like that and you are doing the half of this from this line, vertical line, from the vertical line, if you are doing the half of that, so you can see the left hand part and the right hand part of this will be also the same. So when any picture looks exactly same doing the half of the object, okay, of any object, you can take any object and when you will do the half of the object and the both the objects, left side object and right side object, or you can say up or bottom objects, if they looks like exactly the same picture, so you can see this will be the symmetry. After that, what is the line of symmetry? So line of symmetry means when you are doing the half of the object, so you will do by the line, by any line like that. For example, you can take any vertical line of symmetry. For example, you can take the horizontal line of symmetry. For example, you can take, for example, if you have any square, the shape of a square, and if you will do the vertical line symmetry, okay, like that, you will do the half of this figure. So the left hand side and right hand side part of the figure will be same. So this is called the vertical line of symmetry. And if you are doing the, if you are making the horizontal line, so this, the upper part of the figure and the lower part of the figure also will be the same. Okay, half of the both the objects look like the same. So you can say this one will be the horizontal line of symmetry and this one is called the vertical line of symmetry. But how many lines of symmetry can be there? There can be zero line of symmetry, no line of symmetry. You can say one line of symmetry can be there in any picture or figure or objects. One line of symmetry, two line of symmetry can be there, three line of symmetry can be there, and four line of symmetry. It means you can say there can be no line of symmetry and there can be more than one line of symmetry or two line of symmetry. Okay, so there can be many line of symmetry in any figure or any objects. Clear? So this one is called the line of symmetry. For example, if you have a shape of a rectangle like that, this is the shape of a rectangle, and in this rectangle shape, how many line of symmetry you can do here? So first one, you can do only the vertical line of symmetry. So both the objects, the left and right, half of both the objects look like the same. And if you are doing the horizontal line of symmetry, then also both the objects, upper and bottom objects will be the same. But you can't do more than two line of symmetry in the figure, because if you will do the line of symmetry from the diagonals, so this one part and this one part, these two parts will not be the same, because these will not overlap one another. Okay, so these are not the same part. Okay, so it means here only two line of symmetry will be there. So in any object or figure, there can be one line of symmetry, there can be no line of symmetry, or there can be more than one line of symmetry also. After that, next one is the reflection symmetry. So what is reflection? Reflection means the mirror image. When you are looking in the mirror, so the exactly you are looking the same picture, who you are. So simply when you are looking in the image, or you can see when you are looking in the mirror, so जब आप mirror में अभी कोई भी image देखते हो, so you are looking exactly the same. आपको एकदम क्या दिखनी चाहिए? एकदम same mirror image दिखती है. ठीक है? For example, A, what will be the mirror image of A? अगर आप इसको mirror में देखते हो, so same it will like the A part. Okay, so this is called the reflection. What will be the reflection of the image and what will be the shape you will see in the reflection after seeing in the image, mirror image. Okay, so this is called the reflection symmetry. For example, if you have the shape of L and when you will look in the mirror, so look in the mirror means the reflection image. So इसकी reflection जब mirror के ऊपर पड़ेगी, so what will it look like that. Okay, the reflection image will be like that, the opposite of this, so it will be like that. Okay, so the left side image will be in right hand side, so it will be like that, so it will look like A will be same as A. But if you are taking the letter B, so B, how it will look like in the reflection symmetry? So it will like that, so it will be like this letter. Okay, so this is called the reflection symmetry. Is it clear, all of you? So with this symmetry, what is symmetry, how many line of symmetry can be there, and what is the reflection symmetry, like that all these we will do in our first let's try one. Okay, so that we will try, start the let's try one. So you will open your book, all of you, and after where we will start the let's try one questions. Yes, better. So students, now we will start our let's try one. So in the let's try one, you can see the question number 1. What is question number 1? Look at the flags and draw as many line of symmetry as possible for each of them. Write the number of line of symmetry in the box given for each. So you can see the let's try one. The chapter number, we have started our chapter number 13, symmetry and patterns, and I have already told you about the symmetry, lines of symmetry and the reflection symmetry. So in the first question, in the first exercise, we will do our let's try one, and in the let's try one we will do the symmetry and about the reflection symmetry. So first question you can see. So let's start the question. So look at the flags, draw as many line of symmetry as possible for each of them. Write the number of line of symmetry in the box given for each. Some flags are given. You can see this is Indian flag, and this is one is also the flag. I think this one is the US flag, and this one is one more flag is given. So 3 flags are given. So first of all, in all these flags you will draw the line of symmetry, and after drawing the line of symmetry you will write down how many number of line of symmetry are there. You will write in these box. Clear? So in the first part you can see this is a flag, and if in this flag you will draw the line of symmetry, and if you are drawing the vertical line of symmetry, so vertical line will be exactly in the middle of this line. Okay, so you can take the help of compass also. For vertical line you will draw the straight line and exactly with the middle of the flag. Okay, and it will pass through the origin, or you can say center of the flags. So you can see this is the center, and you will draw the line. This will be the pass through the middle of the flag, and this line, and this is called the vertical line of symmetry, and this will divide the flag in 2 equal parts. You can see this one is the left hand side part, and this one is the right hand side. So this is one line of symmetry. After that, if you are dividing it into 2 equal parts like that, okay, if you are dividing it by the horizontal line like that, so that also will divide it into 2 equal parts, the upper part and the bottom part, because the upper part and bottom part, if you will fold it, so it will exactly cover the part. So this one will be the horizontal line of symmetry. Now next line of symmetry, if you are drawing here the diagonal line of symmetry. Okay, if you are drawing the diagonal line of symmetry, so diagonal you will draw from here, but when you will cover, when you will fold this, so this one will not cover overlap one another, because this is like a rectangle. You can see this is the shape of a rectangle. In rectangle, when you will draw, when you will divide it into by the rectangle, by the diagonals, so it will not divide it into 2 equal parts, because both the parts will not overlap to each other. Okay, so you can say in the rectangle only 2 line of symmetry will be there, and one will be the vertical line of symmetry, and second will be the horizontal line of symmetry. So in this flag you can see how many line of symmetry will be there. So you can say it will be total 2 line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry? 2 line of symmetry. Clear? Now in the second flag, first of all you can assume the length. Okay, this one is rectangle or square, so this is 3.5 you can see, and the length of this is like 3 something. Okay, so means you can assume that this is also a rectangle, this flag is also a rectangle, and in this rectangle also same you can say how many line of symmetry will be there? 2 line of symmetry. One will be the vertical line of symmetry, you will do the exactly one line you will draw like that, and the second line you will draw like that, the horizontal line. So how many line of symmetry will be there? Exactly 2 line of symmetry. One is vertical line of symmetry, and second one is the horizontal line of symmetry. Second is horizontal line of symmetry. Wait a minute. Next one is your next one is the third one flag. So this is also a flag. So in this also you will not do the line of symmetry in the circle only, you will do the line of symmetry in the rectangular part. Okay, and rectangle, this is also a flag and this is also a rectangle, like a rectangle. So in rectangle also how many line of symmetry will be there? So only two line of symmetry, one is vertical and second one you can draw, this one will be the horizontal line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry will be there? So here also two line of symmetry will be there. So this was your first question. आप क्या करना है, look at the flags, आपको तीन flags दिए हुए हैं, you will draw the line of symmetry and after that in the boxes you will write how many line of symmetry are there. And so you can see how many line of symmetry will be there. So total two line of symmetry will be there because all the flags are like a rectangle, and in the rectangle when you will divide it by the vertical line, so it will divide it into two exactly equal parts, and when you will divide by the horizontal line, so then also it will divide into two exactly equal parts, upper and bottom part. But when you will divide the rectangle in diagonally like that, if you will draw it by the diagonal, divide it by the diagonally, so these two parts will not equal, these will not overlap to each other. Okay, so you can say only two line of symmetry will be there in the rectangle. So in the first question there will be two line of symmetry. Clear? Yes. Now we will start our next question. Question number second. Draw the mirror image of the following. You have to draw the mirror image of the following. So mirror image means reflection image. You can say reflection symmetry. So what will be the reflection of this one? Okay, if left hand side this part is given, so right hand side it will look like that. Okay, so what will be the mirror image? So mirror image of this one, A part. Okay, this one is the A part, this one is the B and this one is the C part. So what will be the mirror image of this? So if you will see the mirror image of this one, so this one will be look like same. You will complete this picture like that, you will complete it like that, and this triangle will be same here and the color of this one will be same, and after that you will draw all the color here, the yellow color and then green, red, then again the orange color, green color, red color, and this one is again the orange color. You will fill the color. So this one will be the complete picture. The mirror image or the reflection image will be the same when you will draw this picture in the your reflection. So it will look like the same and you will complete this picture. After that this key is given. In this key you will, when you will see in the mirror image, so it will look like same exactly, but some parts will be will change like that. The circle part will be same as it is. After that this one part will make, now in it is in right hand side of the key, you can say left hand side, now it will be draw in the right hand side, so it will be like that. Yes, it will be like that. Okay, so this one will be the reflection image of the key. In this picture you can see the both the square part, both the square will be if you will see in the reflection image, so it will look like that. So it will change, the picture will be changed and it will change like that, this one. So it will look like this one. So this one will be the reflection image, or you can say the mirror image. Okay, and the picture will see opposite of this. Okay, so it will be look like that one. Okay, so this one will be the yes beta. Now with this in symmetry and patterns we will complete with let's try one my turn one also. So open your my turn one. So my turn one first question is, consider the dotted line as the mirror line to draw the reflection of the shape. आपको जो डॉटेड लाइन दिखी हुई है वो क्या है, आपको इसको मिरर लाइन इमेज मिरर लाइन कंसिडर करना है, एंड देन यू विल ड्रॉ द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द शेप, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल ड्रॉ द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द शेप. इसका रिफ्लेक्शन क्या होगा मिरर इमेज में, ठीक है. So you will draw the reflection. So reflection image will be opposite of this. Okay, when you will take the in the when you will see in the reflection, you will see in the mirror. So reflection image will be look like that. Okay, so it will be same like that. So you will complete the picture. So that will be the reflection image of this. Okay, so what will be the reflection image? So it will be like so it will be look like, and this one will be the smaller circle and this one will be the greater circle. So this one will be the reflection image of this one first picture. Now the second picture, reflection image, because the second picture you can see this one is the dotted line, so this is the mirror line. Okay, you will consider it is the mirror line, and the picture is given which is showing in the picture, this is the bottom part. So when you will see the mirror image, so it will be top part and it will be the opposite of this, like that. Okay, reflection, you will see the opposite of this. So in the reflection part you will get the picture like that. And it will complete the picture like that. Okay, so this one will be the reflection of the this picture, second. Clear? Now in third part also you can see you have to draw the reflection image of this. So reflection image of this will be, you can complete this picture, so it will look like that. Okay, you can consider it as straight line like that. Okay, so it will be the reflection image of this. After that, reflection image of this one. So what will be the reflection image of this one? This is the bottom part, this is the top part, and the bottom part will be the reflection image. So same picture will see, if you will see in the mirror, so it will look like that, opposite of that. Okay, so it will look like that, so it will be like that one. Okay, after that, when you will see the mirror image of this, so mirror image of this will be like that. So this will, you will complete the picture. After that, when you will see the mirror image of last one, this one, so you will complete the picture, this one also. So it will be like that. Okay, so this one will be the mirror image, or you can say the reflection image. So in the reflection image you will complete all the pictures, so that will be the reflection means if left hand side the image is given, so you will draw the right hand side the image, and if the upper part image is given, or you can say the top part is given, so you will draw the bottom part, like that you will complete the pictures. In the question number second, circle the symmetrical objects below and draw the line of symmetry also. So in the first picture you can see, in the first one you can see this is a this one picture is given, and here you have to draw the line of symmetry. So in the line of symmetry, simply the line of symmetry will be the line which exactly divides the objects into two equal parts. So but when here if you will draw the line, vertical line, so it will not divide into two exactly parts, but when you will draw the horizontal line in middle of this, so it will divide exactly in between, it will divide exactly in two equal parts. So you will draw here the line of symmetry, and the line of symmetry here will be the horizontal line of symmetry, like that. Okay, so it will divide it into two exactly equal parts, top part, upper and bottom part. Now in this flower also, if you will draw the horizontal line, so it will not divide it into two equal parts, but when you will draw the vertical line, so vertical line will divide the object into two equal parts, so this one will be the line of symmetry. In the third part, when you are drawing the vertical line of symmetry, so it will not divide it into two equal parts, but when you drive and you will divide the you will draw the horizontal line of symmetry, that then also it will not divide it into equal parts, so there will be no line of symmetry, nor zero line of symmetry. Okay, and in the last part, in this also, when you will divide it into exactly in the middle by the vertical line, okay, by the vertical line, then only it will divide it into two equal parts. But the horizontal line if you will draw, so the objects of the bottom or top will not same, only the vertical line will divide the object into two equal parts. So this way is the one line of symmetry, this one. So this was your my turn 1. In the first question you have to draw the mirror image, and dotted line you will consider the mirror line, and after that you have to draw the reflection shape, and in the second part you have to draw the line of symmetry. Clear? So this was your question number first and second from my turn 1.